Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Ashley. In today's video, we will be talking about Cécred edge drops. This is an update video. So about 60 days ago, I started Cécred edge drops. And I only started it on like this one section of my head. And I started because for years, I noticed that this side of my hair is thinner than this side, but it's not thinning out. It's just always been thinner than this side of my head. So I said, let me try Cécred out and put it to the test and give y'all real updates, real results. Remember, this is not a paid promotion, so this is not sponsored or anything. This is my real honest opinion about Cécred edge drops. Now, also, 60 days ago, I started what you would call like a hair care journey, because when I went and got my ends trimmed and also got a silk press, like my ends were bad, and it's like time to start really taking care of my hair. So that's when I also decided to start a hair care journey with you guys. And so I'm here to give y'all an update on that, and as well as the Cécred edge drops. I will be showing y'all the before picture before I started Cécred drops, how my edges, or how this side of my edges was looking. And then today I'm gonna show y'all the update. So stay tuned and watch the full video, because I'm gonna show y'all, how it's looking under here. So before I show y'all my 60-day update, I want to tell y'all that I was using Cécred every day before I go to bed. So I would just apply right here to this section. I massage in for a couple of seconds, and then, I'll wrap my hair up. I really didn't do any hairstyles. I would just wash my hair with Cécred shampoo and Cécred conditioner, and I use that Cécred's sealing lotion. I will use that, and normally I would just either put my hair in some twists and throw like a wig on, not a lace front, but just like a headband wig or a half wig with a headband on there. Or I would just let my hair be in twists if I was at home. But if I was going out, I'll throw a wig on or throw a hat on. And if I wasn't doing twists, I would either have my hair like little loose braids or plaits, just with my regular hair, no weave or nothing like that. And I didn't wear my hair in a bun, or I didn't really style my hair. I would just kind of let it like be free. Also, I would try to keep my ends moisturized when it's in its natural state. I will also add some oil to my scalp. Also, when I did wear the headband or the half wigs, I did apply some edge control to my edges, and I'm gonna put the picture here of the type of edge control I was using. But I would only do that for like 2 days a week, because I had to go into work and I didn't want my edges looking crazy. So I had to slick my edges down, and I normally wear my edges slick back. I don't do the baby hair thing. I would shampoo my hair at least every week, once a week. And also I was getting protein treatments once a month. So far I only had 2 protein treatments, and I would do it once a month, and I would go to the salon and have her put the protein treatment on my hair. And she would cut my ends. She cut my ends a lot the first time. The second time she did like a little light dusting. And the third time, this would be the third time of me getting my hair done. See, it's in the silk press. And she did a little trim on this one as well. Now I'm just showing y'all, like, I think my hair is coming along fine as far as like the hair care journey, but I still have split ends. So we just kind of like trying to gradually get those split ends off. Not this time when she did my hair, but the last time I didn't get a silk press. I just got a protein treatment, a shampoo, conditioner, all that. And she just blow dried my hair straight. And it was straight, but it wasn't a silk press. It wasn't, where you get the flat irons out and silk press the hair. It was just like she just blow dried it straight, braided, like she put 2 braids in my hair, and like, I just went home and left my hair like that. And I continued to apply the Cécred edge drops to my edges. So now we're gonna talk about what I noticed with the Cécred edge drops. Now I have noticed that this is like a lightweight, it's not even oil. It's like, I don't know what you would call it. I guess you would call it just drops, but it's very lightweight. It did revert or it did start to revert my hair back to its natural state when I applied it on there. So, which I expected that, because anything you apply, any liquid to your silk press, it's gonna revert your hair back to its curly state. So that I did notice. So in this area, it'd be like a little natural while all the rest of my hair was silk pressed. So I haven't applied none since I got my hair done, which was about 2 days ago, because I don't want it to revert back to its natural state. As you can already probably tell, it's already about to start going back to its natural, because I've been sweating. So it looks like it's about to go back to its natural state, like right around the edges, right in the roots. Because as soon as I start sweating, that's it, y'all. And then when I do get a silk press, I keep my hair in a wrap. Like, I keep it wrapped up until I gotta go outside. I be in the house wrapped up. As soon as I get back home, I'm wrapping my hair back up. Because I'm trying to make the silk press last as long as I can. And my hair is pretty much heat trained, but that sweat, And I don't go work out when I have a silk press either, because I haven't figured out a way to keep a silk press while working out without having to put heat on my hair again. So I just don't work out that week. And I also noticed with the Cécred edge drops that a little goes a long way. You don't need much, but that price tag, you better be using a little and don't be wasteful. One time I dropped it, y'all, and I thought my life was over. Well, not my life. I thought it was over. Man, I was about to be so upset because I dropped it. But when I dropped it, much didn't come out. I'm talking, it was just a little bit. But how costly this is, baby, I don't want to waste it on nothing. My kids don't even use this yet. This costs too much. Now, Cécred, y'all gonna have to can I get like a smaller bottle? Some go down that price tag. When is the sales? When do they go discount? Like, this is a lot. Well, it lasts long as 60 days and it's still something in here, like pretty much a lot. I'm telling you, I use just a little drop here and there, and that's it. Gotta be, what is the word I'm looking for? It's the word I'm looking for, where you want to not be wasteful. What's the opposite of wasteful? I don't know. When I figured it out, I just put the word right here, what I'm thinking. But anyway, okay, you guys, enough of me yapping. I know y'all really came here to hear about the update. Remember, I've been using Cécred hair edge drops for 60 days now. I'm about to show y'all my edges. So, moment of truth. Hold on, let me look in the mirror right here. Okay. All right, y'all. Here it is. From day 1 to day 60. Here are the results. And to be honest, I'm not going to even hold y'all. I don't really see a difference. If y'all see a difference, drop down in the comments and let me know. But to be honest, I'm looking at it right now and I don't see a difference. And if y'all don't see a difference, drop down in the comments and let me know. But I'm going to still keep using Cécred for another 30 days. And I'm going to check back in. And if I don't see a difference in 30 days, I'm just going to stop using Cécred edge drops. But if y'all have any advice on what I should do next, y'all drop down in the comments and let me know. Okay, y'all. So that's the update. My 60-day update. I'm going to continue to use edge drops. And I hope y'all enjoyed this short little video. If y'all made it this far into the video, y'all please subscribe to the channel. Like the video. Comment down below. Share this video. And if y'all want to continue to see my hair journey, because this won't be the end, I'm going to give y'all a 30-day update video on my hair. Maybe not a 30-day, maybe the next 60 days again, because I'm not going to get a silk press. I don't think I'm going to get a silk press next month. Maybe in July I get my silk press again. And then that's when I give y'all an update, which would be probably the next 60 days. So I give y'all another update on my hair care journey. and as well as the Cécred edge drops. And that's it, you guys. I appreciate y'all. I thank y'all for watching this video. So I see y'all guys in the next video. Bye.